This is the story of the tornado. The Robins have a tornado, and basically the Robins family just like there's like a tornado, and now they're going to pick up the stuff. Why are we going here again? Because there's a tornado happening and we need to hurry up and prepare. Okay. It should be like over here. Just gotta wait. There it is. What's in it? Oh, stuff like an umbrella, a flashlight, candle, like stuff like that. Okay. At their house. What'd you say? Okay. If it starts raining a little bit too hard, come and tell us, and we'll start getting ready. Okay. Just gonna be setting up in here. I'm scared. I'm scared too. Was our house gonna go to the ground? I don't know. I think I hear them crying. What was that? Oh, I think I hear them crying. I'm just gonna go. Why are you guys crying? What if the tornado kills us? The tornado won't cross past here, I think. Oh. So we're gonna be safe? Well, you should be safe. Okay. Okay. Got a phone in case you get a call. Let's put that there. An umbrella. For some reason, why did we get an umbrella? I don't know, in case the rain got inside our house or something. Right. Candles for the kids. And then flashlight for you. Then this candle for me. Okay, works. I gotta turn the candles off. Okay, and I'm gonna go back to the post office to get something extra for us. Okay. Got the extra stuff. What is that? Stuff for us to like sit on and sleep on, just in case. You know. Right. I'm gonna throw this bag away. If I can find a trash can. Trash is always running from me when I need it most. Yep, as I expected. But we're going to go plan B. But it's not going to clog our toilet? Maybe. But it's our last option. Okay, do not clog the toilet. Phew. For some reason, I don't know how that big box fit down there. What was that? It sounded like air. Going fast? Oh, I think the kids heard the air go fast. Okay. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, don't freak out. You need to grab stuff. You like my phone that I never use because there's actually something to do here. Yeah. And this water bottle in case we get thirsty. And of course our toys. Alright, let's go. To the bathroom? Why are we going to the bathroom? I don't know. Mom, Dad, why are we inside the bathroom? Because the bathroom has no windows, and it's safer to have no windows. Okay. Okay, it's starting, guys. It's gonna be okay, guys. I call the sleeping bag. on, man. How I get in here? Guys, I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, we best be out here. Well, at least it helps a little bit. Well, if you say so. The lights went out. Oh no! Okay, this is where the candles come in handy. Okay, everyone get a candle or flashlight? Yeah, I was getting a flashlight. This is unbelievable. We haven't got a tornado in like years. Yeah, I know. Why can't I pick up the candles? The stuff just disappeared. I don't know. The flashlights and stuff just disappeared. So, yeah, they're doing. Okay, we lost our candles and flashlights somehow. Great. Okay, what do we do? Don't worry, we have this. That's hardly a source of light. Don't worry, guys, it'll pass. Okay, that did not sound good. Alright, maybe we should start to like our kids. Freak out! Ah! Okay, don't freak out. Look, there's still a little bit of hope left. We still have signal. That's good. Right? And we're just out of signal. Okay, we do not have to like our kids. Freak out! Ah! Okay, don't worry. We don't freak out. What if we just pretend that there isn't like a massive tornado outside our house that can come to kill us? Okay, let's just wait till it passes. Whoa, look, the lights are back on. Yay! Oh, look, my signal's back. Did it pass? It looks like it did. Okay, that's very good. So, what do we do now? I guess we're set to go. Alright kids, this was only the first rodeo of the first tornado you guys ever had. It was scary. Yeah, it was. So I guess you guys could just go back to rain. I think, let me check, see if it's back normal. Still raining, but I guess that should be normal after a little thunderstorm and stuff. Okay, here's your phone back that you don't even use. Yeah, I prefer playing with real toys. And, okay, we'll go in here then. Oopsies. Let's pack up all the stuff. Put you guys' stuff back also. Thank you. Let me put this like inside a closet or something. There's a bit over here. Okay. Oh, that was a chaotic day. Yep. I'm glad everyone's safe though. Okay, that's the end of this story. And hope it was good. And yeah, bye!